subscribe to channel and please press bell icon for new videos.
Now moving to the second video of my course, that is batch file programming, and now I will talk about rem command echo as I have speaked in my earlier video. So moving toward this video, we will go and type cd and slash enter and cls for a new screen. Now after typing, we have to type rem command. What is the function of rem command? The rem command is used for making comments on a particular script or a particular program to make it more readable and understandable. Such many programmers use this for making their code understandable, for making their comments. If someone has typed their code, if you are not understanding, we will type rem, and any comments that we want to make it understand, we can make the people understand. Now moving toward echo, we will open cmd. Now as cmd has opened in my screen, now we will type cd and cls, simple as I have did earlier. Now as you can see that I have typed something, an error occurred. Now again I am typing something, again I press enter, error occurred. Now again same thing occurred. Now again the same thing occurred. Now if you want to give any compliment and this is occurring, how you will criticize or manage this thing? What is rem? The rem command is a command which makes remarks for a particular program that we have made around. So it is very important and very useful. See how I use rem command. Now I will type rem, hi, my name is something, I am typing, and I am pressing enter, and my name will be printed as above. Now no error occurred. You can type anything that you want and it will be printed, or it will be made as remark. It is used for making any remarks in any program or anything that you have made in CMD, not just like that for typing. Here now question arises that what is echo? Echo is a command that is used for making any comments to be printed on the screen. It is just similar to rem command but not the rem command. Now guys, just watch what I am doing and just observe the things. I hope that you will be able to cooperate or follow me as just I am doing. Just watch and observe. you can see that how did I deleted any files. You can take any locations and delete this. By this you can learn batch file programming and you can easily work on kernel Linux. Thanks for watching my video.